Hi everyone! Today we are going to be learning about Stupeflix. Stupeflix is a website where you can make videos with pictures or video clips, add music to them, and you can utilize them in the classroom in a ton of different ways. Today we're going to learn how it works, how we can use it in the classroom, and what benefits it has. The first step would be to visit www.stupeflix.com. This would be the page that you would get to when you do that. Next, you need to log in. So we're going to find the login button up here in this right-hand corner, and we're going to click that. If it's your first time, you will need to create an account down here. Otherwise, if you're a returning user, you would just select whichever type of account you created and log in. My information is already saved, so I'm going to log in. This would be your home screen. Here you can view any of the videos that you have already created, and what's great about it, you can edit them at any time. For today, we're going to make a new video. So to do that, we're going to find up in this upper right-hand corner the blue button that says Make a Video. You'll select whichever theme it is that you want to use. If you hover over any of them, it'll give you a preview of some of the features that might be a part of that specific theme so that you have a better idea of what it is that you're selecting. For today, I'm going to select the scrapbook one, and we're going to make a video. Here is where right away I can start adding any of my photos or videos. I'm just going to select this plus sign right here, and it gives me the option of adding a photo, a title slide, a map, or creating a custom transition. So at the very beginning, I'm going to create a title slide, and I'm just going to label it Lamont Cheer because that are the photos that I'm going to be adding. I can edit this at any time, I can create it again, or I can delete it altogether. So next, you're going to want to start to add some of your photos. To do so, I would just click this plus sign again to add a slide. I'm going to this time select Add Photos, and it gives me a ton of different options to utilize during my presentation. Today, I'm going to upload from the computer, so I'm going to select. All of mine are housed right on my desktop in this project folder, and I'm going to select a photo and choose. The image will upload immediately to that slide. So now I have one picture as a part of my presentation. To add additional ones, I would do it exactly the same way by selecting the plus sign and moving through those steps. Once you have all of your desired photos or videos selected, there are different editing options that you can use to customize your video. So to find those, you're going to select the picture you would like to edit, and up in the right-hand corner, this arrow will show up. When we select that arrow, you'll see my different options. So the first thing that I'm going to talk you through is if you wanted to change the duration that a photo is shown. So I would click Edit to do that, and I would click Custom Duration. From here, I can select how long I want this picture to be shown compared to all of the other ones. And then I would just select Done once I've completed the time that I want. My next option for editing is to add a text to any of them. So again, I would select that arrow in the corner, but this time I would select Add Text Overlay. Here I would type whatever it is that I would like. So this is JV Team, and select Done. So the last one that I can do is I can change the placement of any picture or video. So let's say I want this big group picture to be moved to the very beginning. I would just click the video and drag it over to where I want it to go and let go. Once you have made all of your pictures and videos to how you would like them to be, where you would like them to be located, you can now add a soundtrack if you desire. In order to do that, we would come up to the top left here where it says Add a Soundtrack. Here you can either upload from your computer or you could look through the Stupeflix audio library. For this video, I'm going to choose to upload from my computer. And I would just select my music and pick any one that I would like to. Once your music has been uploaded, you will see it at the top up here in the green, and then you are all set to go. Again, you can always make any edits that you would like even after you produce the video, but our last step would just be to select this Produce and Save up in the top right. I always choose to do it as an HD video just for better quality purposes, and then it would produce your video. While that's happening, I want to talk about some ways that this can be utilized in the classroom. This can be used as a project option for students that would help us gauge their understanding of a specific topic just like any other project would. With so much variety in being able to select clip art, videos on the internet, or their own footage, students are likely to enjoy this, being able to relate to their own lives. Also, with the increase in technology in our world, children are easily engaged with projects that involve incorporating their creativity and computers. Some of the benefits that teachers are also seeing in the classroom is that this website can be accessed from any computer that has internet. This style of learning definitely benefits those that tend to be shy or uneasy in front of the classroom. With Stupeflix, they aren't forced to have to stand in front of the class and talk. They can allow their video to more or less do the talking. Also, for students with disabilities, this allows them the freedom to work at home and use more time if needed. And if a student in particular is struggling with either a stutter or dyslexia, it brings us back to what I mentioned before, and that student is no longer having to stand in front of their entire class where they're already uncomfortable and they're already feeling a little bit different than everybody else, and it allows them to just have the details and the creativity of their video present for them. Once your video is done uploading, as I mentioned before, you will find it here on your home screen. So this is the one that we just did. So that is Stupeflix. I hope that you enjoyed learning about it, and happy video making!